is my shoe? Where is my clothes?
Hello, my people. They welcome now come this program what they call Area Tori. Area Tori now the program where they come to now from Procyon radio and television. I deal with
Laura Enoch, my people now. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Evelyn Clifford Harry.
and my name is Sarah Agbo. I dey welcome una. Please, if una dey watch us for the very first time, make una subscribe, like, share, and drop una comment. Those who they watch us before, thank you very much. Continue watching. And make una don't forget to always share, and share. Today we want to talk about our traditional belief. So now, before we go start the program, well, make una listen to some people. When evening go just ask them question from outside.
We don't hear about Alekwu before.
Yes.
What you don't hear about her?
Just how? Alekwu means Idoma people they call it Alekwu, but in my own tribe we call am Ibegu, mean that Igala tribe. So the problem for the Alekwu is that, let's say if you have a husband and you are living with your husband, and you went outside and sleep with another man that is not your husband, it causes many things in the family. He bring bad luck, he bring death to the house. Let's say after you sleep with another man in there, another man outside, and your husband didn't know, and you yourself you know. When you cook food, your husband eats and your children eat. The man among them, as a boy, you affect him, you die. There is the one that will make your face turn back like this, your neck will not turn back. Okay? That is if you refuse to confess and you know that you did it. That is how you will suffer. Some again will come for you like a form of madness. You'll be talking anyhow. You understand, but that is how the thing is.
You, as you tell us this one, you believe in it.
Me, I believe it because I saw it happen to many people. Like in my own husband village, I saw it. Even though you say that, my God is powerful God. That one, Alekwu, people don't know that one. No.
Some people they call am superstitious belief. So the particular one where we want just raise today now, Alekwu. Na particular tribe they call them Alekwu. That is things that are forbidden. Things where then they forbid for that their area. So you get this particular woman. May I just drop the story so that people go understand where we they go. Where we say the woman, she don't marry, they don't pay dowry, do everything on her head, but she still they come out from house. And then the tradition talks say if the woman where they marry come out, go outside, say now that traditional name where they call Alekwu, now the woman they do. Meaning that it's forbidden, it's not a good thing. And one thing with that thing they say, when I look at even in the society, morally, it no good. Spiritually or religiously, it no still good. For a woman to say you don't marry and you still they come out. But you get this traditional attachment where they take attached to that particular thing. The tradition, in some tradition, you go hear say the woman need to go out naked in market square if she still want go back to her husband to cleanse herself. The woman get different things wey she go do if she find herself inside that kind of situation. But I never hear for man. Na woman na the thing dey affect. You understand? I never hear for man. So this woman, when she don't come out, go meet another man. Now the family of the man, the woman talks, the man talks, say, they no go carry the woman again because now him be the breadwinner. The man say him love your wife. Make she go cleanse herself so that they will come back together. You understand? So the people say, if we allow her go cleanse herself, come back, how are we sure she no go still come out again, go do another one? So the tradition be say, if the man hear the Tori say him wife they come out and he no act, the man go sick, and that particular sickness
Lead them to death.
it will lead them to death, and then know the kind sickness. Do you understand? If the man they see, if the man they sick, they know say na so thing na happen. That type of sickness, you understand? They know say na so thing happen. So they know the particular sickness what will happen to the man. So na him dey come tell the man come hear am. He come say, no, e no go possible o. Knowing their tradition o, he ignore. The man come dey sick. As the man come dey sick, they come carry the man go somewhere, go meet one elder. Say, this man dey sick o, e don tey wey e dey sick, and the wife dey hide am for inside house. You understand? She know the tradition, they are from the same place. So na him the elder come. When he come, he see the man, he say, something happen. He say, this sickness no be ordinary. I say, something happen. Na the man come carry the person wey dey sick, carry am go village. When they reach village, they say, na this thing happen. Na they call the woman, wetin you do? Na the woman come dey confess. You understand? As the woman confess, the mother of the woman say, abeg, make dem help her, so that the woman go go back to the husband. So they had to carry her to market square. Why I dey tell you this story be say, we dey ask, is it true or no be true? You understand? So as dem carry this woman go market square, she don go do all the things wey dem say make she do. The man well. You understand?
That means it's true.
So the man come dey okay. But when the man come back to him right senses, the man say he no go do again. He no marry the woman again. Na so dem take separate.
Okay. My people, I don't hear as they explain so. That means belief, and the other people don't know say na true. If na my neighbor now, wey be say he live the same compound with me, dey sick, that kind of sickness. Person go put eyes, that kind of sickness, he lead to the one wey do that man wey dey carry am go village where he go well o. That means the woman dey comot, no be hidden something again. So whether you do o, you dey deceive people say they no go know. When once he catch your husband, they go know say you dey comot. And you wetin say he no go catch your husband, make you do, he go turn around catch you one day. So wetin I see inside be that, to comot your hand for something wey dey smell, so that no fly no go follow you.
All right, evening.
As we talk say na belief, una know say belief dey different belief, and we go find out say some communities or some wetin dem dey call am, tribe, if they believe something, say this thing like this, na so that thing be. You fit ask say why that same thing no go happen for that
People,
the other side place. Be say those people no believe that thing because na belief. And I get something wey I read last week. E talk say if you write something for paper, wake every morning, tell yourself that thing. Wake up every morning, tell yourself that thing. Na so that thing go take happen. As we dey associate that this belief wey we dey talk about Alekwu for here, na true say every tribe get im own, but everybody take as e dey take believer and dey take settle this issue. As with my mother talk for here, biblically speaking, we know say things wey dey like that no dey correct. Traditionally speaking, because as God give us wisdom, he give us wisdom all round. As human beings, we go take na that through that wisdom we dey take put laws wey God dey stamp am.
Yes.
God dey line with wetin God dey talk. So as we dey hear, e get so many stories wey dey surrounding this thing. For my own village, for my own this thing, na our own tradition wey me I know be say una no fit marry for the same clan. Una be clan, una no go fit marry. If one person marry, if una go marry for the same clan, na una children go dey die one after the other. Una go dey die one after the other. E get one time wey my sister come ask my mother say, okay, if e take happen like that, what if I dey for another country? We no know say
relate.
E go take happen. How if it happen, if it continue like that? My mother says that one na the tradition know that thing. Na true, because it's tradition that know that have the basis on that one. So wetin we dey talk for here be say
the thing be say wetin you no go work against it.
Na wetin I dey think be that. Na
wetin you no go know against.
No go work against you because na belief.
Even the Bible say, in times of ignorance, God overlooks. You understand?
When you don't know,
so you no go.
So the point be say we dey talk about adultery for house for marriage, no be so. We dey talk about adultery. Bible no support am. Tradition, society no support am. Morally speaking, it is not right. So mo we understand say wetin go bless and increase us is what wetin we dey everybody dey look out for.
All right. You know, say for all these traditional believers, superstitions, may I dey look and say on our own, God give us wisdom and knowledge on how to carry out every activities around us so that we go fit live peacefully.
Yes.
They get one film where I watch where they say I see the people, they know they even wear clothes, they know they, you understand, the way they be. So but for the huts, one all those their small huts where them build. For the huts, one woman dey inside, then one man go dey peep. As another person come dey pass, come see say the man dey peep inside the house. He shout, as he shouts, people come gather say, why you go dey peep inside
Woman hut.
Yes, woman hut. That is because the woman na married woman. You understand? They shout, and so all the people come they beat am, they beat am. So you can see that even the people wey no dey educated, they know, but the tradition, their surroundings make them know say, if you no good, make you carry your eye dey look another person wife. You understand? And so dem beat am for the film. I just dey look, I dey laugh. I say, so even before now, before we even know anything, e don dey there.
The law has been there.
Yes, the law dey there. So all this tradition and belief, e good wey the people wake up to just dey put am one place. But one thing wey I no like about the thing be the one wey person go come dey die, come dey sickness. Therefore, e get some punishment wey dem fit put wey be say dem go know say yes, this punishment na im go happen to you. Their own punishment too dey too strong because if you look am now, even our God dey have mercy on us. God dey have mercy.
But I get one question wey e dey worry me for mind now. As they take that, e get tradition wey they go put why the tradition side the only woman?
Na
why
women.
Why no put for men too?
No, the men na
Because
the wife e dey catch the men.
Why you no dey catch men? You no get tradition wey you no get tradition
wey be say dem talk say if man do this. Na women o, because
why
even
dey
for
dwell on
society
me?
now, for society now, things no too dey fair for women. Because dem believe say if man fit marry 4-5 wives,
na tradition. That's African tradition.
You see dey for other places like that, you understand? Even man wey marry, if fit comot, if they see am with woman, dem go just say, kai, why you do like this? Na normal to them, to the people, na normal, you understand? But make dem see you woman, hey, e no easy. So but one thing I dey talk be say they no think say the same temptation wey that man fall inside, woman fit fall inside that same temptation.
Na so.
Do you understand? So but wetin bad na we dey talk. Wetin bad e bad. So e no good wey be say either you wey marry wey be man or you wey marry wey be woman, no good make you comot. Make we just dey honest. E no good make any of you cheat on anyone. So if the law stand for the woman, make it stand for the man too. No be so. So you be one talk.
The thing wey I see inside that matter be say, you know, say man, God create man. Make we come like that, make we believe like that too. Now God create man, but woman na act from the man. Na dey make woman. God make woman.
So you can't give her opportunity to dey cheat.
So wetin I see there be say man na him be the head. So anything wey you see say go touch this head, God no dey allow make e happen. But if na woman side like this now, the man na him be the head to the woman. So anything wey the man, if man talk say I don forgive you, man don forgive you. And that is why you see say when man wey that like that man wey talk say I like my wife, if or no this, if or no leave the wife, because he talk say I no wan make my wife go, abeg make dem do anything wey dem fit do, make my wife come back to me, na I wan do. And the tradition too go here because na from the man mouth. Because me I believe say as the man na him be the head, So he get every right on his wife. He get the right to say, I'm forgiving you, and that is the law go forgive the wife. If the man no forgive the wife, the law no go forgive the wife. Now wetin me I see inside that matter be that. But if now the woman go do, if now the woman now go do, or man go do now, you go see say God now he go forgive the man. But the man get the right to forgive his wife, and the law will forgive the wife.
Okay. I don't get where you dey go now. So I think una don hear us for the program wey we dey call Area Tori for Procyon Radio and Television this wonderful and special day. And then I wan talk say abeg, anything wey you no like as human being, no do am to another person. You no understand? If you as a man you feel say no, this thing no good, why you go come do am because you wan offend your wife, or you go come do am because you get that right as a man, say you no dey in the position wey be say the woman fit leave you. No, woman, strong women fit leave man if man do bad thing.
Many dey leave.
So you know our African culture, e too dey catch women, na im be the problem. E too dey catch women. So make all of us do everything wey be say we know say e go favour this one, e go favour this one. So the tradition e dey different, but we no know the solution because you no fit cancel am. You no fit cancel am say okay because of civilization or wetin.
Make dem wave am away.
Make dem wave am away. But some people still dey wave am away. Some wey don enter deep relationship with God go talk say I don cut myself off. You understand?
Yes.
And they still no dey work against them. So with this program, with this particular one now, we don't come to the end of the program wey they call Area Tori for Procyon Radio and Television. If you are watching us for the very first time, please subscribe, like, share, and also drop your comments for us. God bless you. Evelyn, thank you for coming. And Gloria, I want to say thank you for coming.
Thank you very
My
much.
name is Sarah Abo. Make una dey shine like a star. Where una be?
Baby, my salary, I want to